Hi everyone, I'm going to make today chicken vegetable bake. So we have vegetable here and we just have to chop, and I have a lemon here to put the flavor for our chicken drumstick, and I have also 5 spice and yep, we just have to cut the lemon and just put in the drumstick. And then add the 5 spice seasoning. Okay. Here we put that in there. We're going to add salt. Just a little bit of salt. And then we have to set this aside. Up already the vegetables, and I'm going to add the oil. Just add the oil. Then we just have to put the oil in here, and then we have onion, garlic, and sweet bell pepper. Just have to add that there. And we have mushroom, carrots, and zucchini. I'm going to add garlic and pepper mixed seasoning. Then add oregano, 1 pinch of oregano. Then add also dry parsley, just 1 pinch. Then you have to add the 5 spice seasoning. So we just have to mix this with our hand. Just mix really good. Then we make space on the middle, and then we have to add our drumstick chicken. Then put the sauce from the chicken. And then we just have to cover this, preheat your oven for 400 Fahrenheit, and we have to bake this 45 minutes or 55 minutes. So I'm gonna cover this already, and we're gonna put in the oven. Okay, everybody, our chicken with mixed vegetables is cooked already. So we have to serve it. It's our plate, and just have to just a little bit. Wow, the chicken is really soft and smells really good too.
Do this safely.
So here's our chicken with mixed vegetable. So hope you like it, everybody. See you again. Bye.